Hi, beautiful angels. This is Miss Tixie from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your chance pick a card reading. Yes, friends, what is coming next for you? This is your requested readings, friends. Here it is now. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wens Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com, friends. And oh my god, I can't believe it. We are into the last week of January. Time is on flying mode. So a lot is happening, friends. This is a strong week. We are we are having what is happening astrologically. Let's talk a bit about it and then we'll start the reading. On the 25th, there is Sun conjunct Saturn, which is a powerful conjunction. As Sun is in Aquarius and Saturn is also there. And then on the 26th, there is Sun squaring Uranus, power struggles. And on the 28th, there is also another major T square, friends. This week is astrologically loaded. And if that wasn't enough, what is else happening? Mercury retrograde. Yes, friends, Mercury is going to be retrograde in Aquarius from the 30th of January. Who, friends, get ready. Make your mobile phones, your power banks, keep them safe and, keep your laptop safe and your communications, double check them. So let's see, friends. And friends, make sure to subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, because if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading every month. One person is selected for a free reading, one of the lucky subscribers. So let's take a deep breath. Relax, take a deep breath. Choose option number 1, this beautiful little crab. Option number 2, this cute little happy puppy, the dog. Option number 3, the beautiful tiger. Relax, take a deep breath, friends, and choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section so you can go there directly and choose your option. You can also choose more than one pile or watch the entire video. So yes, friends, you can do it as the way you like, and I have my charms here. So let's start. All right. Pile number 1, the crab. Beautiful crab. Let's see what's happening for you, crabs. This week is very powerful. Let's see. This is your romance angels. This is your advice. This is some extra oracle messages for you. And some extra cards. Let's see. Wow, Eight of Pentacles. You start this week feeling very focused on your work and very focused on your studies, on learning something, very committed. So that's a great start for your week, friends. Amazing, very powerful. I also feel like you're waiting for something this week. Like you're waiting for some work related news, or you're waiting for some exam results or dates to be declared or money to come your way. You're waiting. You're working hard, but you are waiting also for some sort of news to come your way. And I see this, I think you're very lucky this week, friends. I see the crow, I see the skull here, so I see you're very lucky. And I feel you're focusing a bit on the past also, like trying to think what happened in the past. Because crabs, they hold the past, they hold things very tightly. So you are holding things tightly this week, like your money, your lovers, your love, your feelings. You are like very possessive about whatever you are doing, very committed, and very clingy also in some way. So yeah, Two of Cups. Yeah, some of you are like, why? What can we do to have this beautiful partnership? What can we do to have this amazing love? So some of you might, and love and a connection is very important to you this week. Maybe it is from the past that you are thinking about this person or this connection. You're trying to understand it. Or For some of you, I feel this is you are trying to manifest a new connection, a new loving relationship, a balanced relationship. So you're working on it. You're trying, really, your focus is on love, work, and money, and trying to understand why, what is love, where is love, what is happening. You're looking microscopically into things in life. Ten of Cups, yay, family oriented week, friends. Family is very important to you. Also, you might meet your family, or your family might visit over, or even I feel like some childhood issues, some things from the past you may remember from your childhood, like you used to do this in the childhood when you were young, and it will make you happy, in some nostalgic, in some way. I also feel a relationship is very important, like you're not, I don't know, you're not active in that relationship, but it is on your mind. Like you're thinking about a lover, a childhood, your childhood friends, your school time, your picnics, summertime picnics. You're thinking about a lot of the past, and I feel in a good way, in a positive way. And family is very important. Maybe you will, travel to spend some time with your family, or you are traveling away from family, so you are like, what's happening? So, yeah, that's there. Lovers choices. This week is full of choices for you, friends, and I feel the choice is between the future and the past. Somewhere you still love a person from your past, but you still want a new person, a new connection. But you still love the past person. It is not like you don't love them, you do love them. So, very interesting energy. I also feel that a friendship is, a relationship is coming towards you through your family. Maybe you will meet someone through family members, or a marriage proposal is coming through family, So, a lot of things are family related to you, important this week. And some choices and decisions are there, like you have to choose between work and family, maintaining your studies or spending some time with your family. Like your family is going out, but you can't because your exams are coming, or your dates haven't been disclosed, so you are waiting for it and you are preparing for something. King of Swords, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini is important. You could be yourself, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I feel you are very clear, friends, of what you want this week and what you don't want. Like your priorities are very clear. You are thinking about the past, but you know that where your focus is, where your happiness is. Definitely. I do see someone wants to talk to you this week. Someone from social media, or someone who is related to your family, maybe a cousin, maybe a lover, or some friend wants to date you, so someone wants to talk to you about a love connection. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, yeah, someone very loving and kind. But I feel like in the past this person was, you feel there are two energies here, friends. You feel like someone has changed, they are no more loving or kind, or someone who is very distant and very cold to you wants to talk to you and wants to offer you love. They might propose you, so you are like, oh, this person used to be very cold, what happened? They love me, really? So there is this hot and cold energy in this week for you. And the Queen of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Oh my god, friends, some very hot people want to date you, friends. Get ready. And I see you, pile number one, taking care of your body, your fitness, your health. You are getting committed to yourself, and that's amazing. You are drawing a lot of attention. I think this is your Valentine's week, because look at it, 10 of Cups, 2 of Cups, 3 people lining up to, woo you. So, a lot of people, this is a very people oriented week. And I feel this is more about this week is the focus is more on, should you focus on your past, or should you focus on the future? That is where your questions are. You are thinking about the past, but you want the new person. You want something in the future, a new person, a new connection, someone you can get married to. The Temperance. Yeah, friends, this week do stay balanced, because I see you are very busy. You are thinking a lot, you are feeling a lot, and you might not even realize it that you are thinking a lot. So you have to be a little bit careful. And you are very passionate, some tempers can fly, especially in the family. Like everyone has an opinion in your family, and lots of squares are happening this week, friends. Power struggles can happen, ego clashes can happen. You have to focus on your love. You have to focus on being kind, being sweet, and I think you can win more with sweetness this week. And by any other way this week, if you are kind and sweet, people will really love you. Let's see what else. Clover, yeah, money is very important to you, friends. You are very much focused on money, on finances, your career, who is valuing you, who is not. So money is important. Key number 33, you are looking for solutions, friends. You want solutions in your love life, in your work and career, about your future, about your past, about your present, about your future. Solutions everywhere. You want solutions. You want something that works. If someone offers you love, you are like, nah. I want to know what will happen in the future of this connection. So yeah, you're like a little confused. Not confused. It's like you're sure. You want something which has future stability or some future direction. You know what you want, and it's a good thing. Ooh, man holding a heart. Someone is definitely going to propose you, friends. Look at that. A lot of proposal energy. Someone really likes you. Someone is watching you, a secret admirer. Someone watching you from the far. Or you are thinking about someone from the far, crushing over them, not telling them what you like them. I think you are trying to yeah, I like them, but I won't tell them. I'll keep it a secret. Happy family, Four of Wands. Yeah, you could be dealing with a twin flame this week. Also, you might see other people's happy family if you are single, and you might wonder when it will happen for you. Also, very family oriented week, friends. You want family, you are craving for family, your own family, your children. You are craving for a lot of things this week, and I think it is going to manifest for you. If you are working to manifest, it's going to happen. It is time to take action, new moon in Aries. Yes, friends, it is time to go after your dreams. If you are wanting a family, it is time to meet people, date them, know them, socialize with them. If you are looking for marriage, try to say yes to people, get to know them, and you will have more choices in future. If you are really, really single, you will have someone interesting coming up. So make sure to watch the February love reading. I will try to link it up somewhere, or in the timestamps. I'll try to link it up. February love forecast. You can watch that. So who is coming towards you? So don't forget to take action. I see you thinking a lot this week rather than taking action. So do take action. Let's see your advice. Make a wish. This is a magical moment. Make a wish. Enjoy its manifestations. Wow. This is so powerful, friends. So yes, it is a good week for you, friends. A very powerful and a happy week. And if you want a relationship, go ahead and make a wish. If you are looking for money, make that wish. Whatever you wish, it will come true very soon. Let's see your love message. Stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. Stay optimistic, friends, about your love life. Someone really loves you. They are coming towards you. And if you like someone, maybe try to, send a hi. Let's see, friends, your charms now. Option number 1. How this week will be? Ooh. Lots of charms. Let's see, friends. So let's arrange these. You have a snowflake, like wishes coming true, a secret lover. It is in the letter A. You also have some numbers. Charms. just trying to separate them so it's easier for us to read. Let's see, friends. Let's see. We are done. Let's see. So your alphabets are M, F, A, W, E, D. Ved. Wow. Someone wants to marry you, or someone, you could be meeting people who have the same same intentions or hopes for the future, like marriage, commitment, that's those things. And T, yeah, so you may also, due might be important, like a very sweet friendship is coming your way, a sweet connection is manifesting for you. So don't lose hope, don't say it won't happen, we have always been single. Say it will happen, it will happen for you. And you could be dealing with a doctor, a physician, a healer, or someone who is some health issues for since family is important, maybe some family members have some health issues, you might have to help them with it. Nothing serious, but just like some routine checkups. I feel like someone you need to have an eye checkup or something done. So yeah, or you could be dealing with the doctor. Hello, I'm yours. Yeah, someone loves you, friend, they are thinking about you. Hello, I'm cuter than you. I think there are two people who are crushing on you this week. Someone who is like a little naughty, and someone who is very much romantic, lovey-dovey. Tree of life. Yes, friends, you are very much committed to your work, to your values. And it's a good thing, friends. It is a good thing. Reconciliation. I think you are returning back to some parts of your life, like visiting your future, not future, visiting your past villages, your hometowns, or connecting with people from your childhood on social media, or finding some pictures from the past. You are connecting back with your childhood, and it's in a good way, in a happy kind of a way. Like those candies we had as kids, which are now not there, but we remember those things, like pineapple candies, orange candies, and don't we love them? Yes, those memories are cherishable. And number 99. So number 9 is important for some of you. Rainbow. Yes, friends, your wishes are going to come true, so get ready. And messages in a bottle. Someone will definitely message you, friends. Someone has secret feelings for you. They are not telling you, they want to message you. Yes, your finances and career will grow. Don't worry about it. There is owl. Yeah, you're very focused on learning, on growing, on expanding. And this orange bead is about creativity, listening to your passion, your creativity. Style. I think you are working on your style statement, friends. Yeah, even if you are not into style or fashion, I do feel you are going to change your look, get a haircut, get a massage done. I don't know. I see you changing, your looks, the way you dress. Maybe you are buying a new specs or something. So yeah, Knight of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important. Duh, focus on forgiveness. Focus on the peace. Mars. Yeah, friends, this is a very powerful energy for you. People are behaving very egoistic around you, very dominating. Maybe a lover or a family member. You have to stay quiet and patient. Here comes patience. You have to keep your cool, friends. Ace of Swords. Yeah, because this is the way you can win them, by keeping your patience and not being affected. April is important. USA is important, so maybe some of you want to travel or go there for studies, or you are dating someone there and it's frustrating, but keep your patience. 5 of Cups. Yeah, things are not over yet. Things are not over. There is hope in this connection. 10 of Coins. Wow, friends, again family is very important. 10 of Cups, 10 of Coins, again family, stability. Yes, and the 10 of Wands, too much pressure. I feel, friends, this week can quickly turn into a pressure cooker situation for you if you take everyone's burdens on yourself. Don't do that. Lion, yeah, you are very powerful, friends. Believe in your strength, but don't take on others' burdens on yourself. King of Coins, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important. 6 of Wands. Yes, friends, success is coming for you. You are definitely going to find the success you are working for. So don't lose hope. And make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. Join us on Insta. This is Mystic C saying bye for now. So, friends, if you chose option number two, this beautiful happy dog, let us see what is coming next for you, friends. Let us see that. So, let's see, friends. This is your charms reading. I'll be pulling your charms shortly. This is your romance angels, your extra advice, and this is your advice. These are your extra oracle messages. And I'll be pulling the charms shortly for you, friends. Don't forget to watch the February pick a card reading. I have already done that. Charms reading, February love and romance charms reading. So yes, friends. Whew, you start the week feeling like a hermit. Oh my god, friends. You are feeling a little into your own world this week, friends. You are in your own bubble. You are thinking, you are happy in your with your own self, with your own thoughts, with your own feelings. You are a little antisocial this week. So yeah, that's how I feel the energy is. You are like this happy dog who is happy wherever they are. So that's a good energy. And I feel like you're trying to learn about something. You're trying to gain some knowledge, you're learning something. Maybe you are starting a new class, or you are learning some new skill regarding your work or your life. So you're busy at that and you're happy there. You're like, yeah, I'm happy there. Six of Wands, yeah, friends. I do see maybe some sort of a work commitment is coming your way, which will make you very busy. Like, a promotion is coming, or some extra work is coming your way, which is going to make you very busy and also happy because you have extra work. So you're like, yeah, I'm happy, enjoying it. And I do see things at your work are picking up. Like some of you were working from home, so things were dull and boring. And if you were looking for work, you are going to find it, or you are going to find someone who can help you in your work, in your career, in your studies. So, yes, good things happening, friends. I also see some part time work coming your way. If you're looking for work, friends, this week, some part time work or some part time assignments are coming which will help you to earn money. So, yes, that's also going to happen. Chariot, life is moving forward. Yes, friends, life is going ahead for you. This is a busy week for you. I think when you watch this reading, and by the time the week finishes, you will be like, where did it go? The whole week was like, who went away. Very busy. I feel you will be traveling this week, or someone is trying to travel towards you. A Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. You might meet people while traveling in tubes, or in whatever those. I feel like travel. You want to travel, or you want to get out, go on the train, go on the planes, somewhere you feel like that. This drive to, this passion to go out, to explore, to be in the out and open in the fresh air. So you will take some time. Maybe you will drive to another city or country, take a train. If you can't because of the world situation, I do feel you will enjoy a walk out in the nature, or with your dogs, or with if you go out, I feel you will find some new friends also through your walks and all. The sun, wow, friends, this is a very positive week for you. The sun is shining for you. I think you start the week feeling a little on your own and a little alone, but I think midweek things will get better. The sun will shine, friendships will come for you, people who can help you, and you will start to feel excited about life again. So that's a good thing. And the Knight of Swords. Wow. I do feel an opportunity is coming very, very quickly, friends. Get ready. If you are waiting for a job call, it may come earlier than expected. Also, some news related to exams may come. Also, friends, be very careful in making some online payments this week, because Mercury is going retrograde. So anything you sign or pay, you should be very careful about it, because things can be a little confusing, or delays can happen, because you are double check everything, because Mercury is about to go retrograde, but we can all feel the Mercury retrograde happening earlier now also. So yeah, I also feel that, friends, you are Someone is trying to reach out to you. You might have an argument with someone from online, someone in your online classes, or someone you meet online. Someone will want to argue or just make you angry. It could be a lover, it could be someone you work with, or someone you meet online. Someone wants to argue with you. Don't indulge in it. Just don't. Ignore them. Seven of Pentacles, yeah, keep your patience, friends. It's very important because you are going places. You are doing very well in your work, career, and love life. So people will try to, and you are a very peaceful energy. Your energy is very peaceful. So people are like, hey, let's just, burst their happy place. You are like a monk, so people will try to, hey, let's disturb them. So don't do that. I also feel, friends, this is a week where you will want to make things very quick, but you shouldn't, especially regarding money. If you are making big deals, don't. If you are making big purchases, postponed. Also, some news related to money is coming. There are delays, but it will eventually come. And for some of you, an apology is coming. A person who is in no contact and long distance, they will meet you either online or through social media or through in person, and they want to apologize to you. I see that. Someone wants to apologize to you because now they realize you are very powerful. I think your own idea about what you can achieve, friends, is going to shift. You are going to feel like you can, from Seven of Pentacles, you can do a lot better to Nine of Pentacles. So money is coming. Some of you will also leave your jobs and start doing some business. And if you are already doing a business, you will earn more in it. So get ready. A lot is happening this week. But this week you are very happy alone. I don't see you talking to a lot of people or anyone. You are very happy. In fact, people will want to come and talk to you. But I would suggest you to keep them away, or just don't let them make you angry or upset. I do feel that you are doing very well. So someone might try to, you know, someone might tell you like, hey, you are good at work, but you are not good at cooking. Or if you are like married, someone will tell you, hey, you are too good. Someone will try to judge you because try to belittle you because you are doing so well in life. Don't listen to them. Just ignore them. Focus on the sunshine. Very fast week, friends. I am already feeling breathless here. Rider, my God, number one. I do feel some information, some news is coming very quickly into your life, friends. Just stay calm, stay patient, be like this hermit, wise, mature. Don't panic. Heart, number 24. Some heart related messages, news are coming for you, friends. Yes, messages of love, messages of apologies, friendships, maybe a travel plan with friends is coming, or you will travel for work. So lots of traveling, lots of people coming towards you, trying to share their love, trying to share their affection. Also, some people are jealous of your success, so be careful about it. Let's see some extra oracles. Cornucopia 1111, you are dealing with a twin flame, friends, yes. And I think the more you focus on yourself, the more this relationship will get better. And most of you are focused about money and success in life in general. You are going to achieve it, friends. You are on the right path. Keep working. You will achieve success. And the thinking man. Yes, someone is thinking about you, friends. Someone is obsessed about you. Someone is watching you from the far. Maybe this person is in no contact with you or in no long distance relationship, but they are keeping an eye on you, and I do see they might message you. Or they might ask your friends how you are doing. I see they are, keeping an eye on you. They are definitely keeping an eye on you. Let me just clarify this card. Be bold and make the first move. Woohoo, friends. Yeah, if you see something nice this week, any opportunities, like, Go and grab it, friends. I see, like, go and grab it. Just don't try and use money in it. Like, don't overspend your money or over invest your money. Otherwise, if it's work related, like if someone, like, there are some presentations and your boss asks you, say yes, yes, I'll do it. I'll be the first one to do it. So I think you are going to be bold and make the first move. If you like somebody, say hello. Let's clarify this card. What's the thinking man about? What's the thinking? Clarify the thinking man. Okay, thank you. Ooh, someone is watching and not taking action towards you, and it's driving you crazy, friends. You know this person likes you and they just don't message you or they just don't call you, and you're like, what is going on? Why can't this person message me? They love me, they watch me. What's wrong with this person? Grief. Yeah, this person is upset. I do feel they have some problems going on in their life. That is why they are not coming towards you. Maybe they are sorry because what they did to you in the past. So, yeah, that's why they are not making a move towards you. Or maybe they are having some financial issues or some family issues. Bittersweet. Yeah, they are really. I think they might message you, or they are, on your birthday or on some some sort of a memory is coming, anniversary or your birthday, their birthday is coming, so they might message you. I think this person is really missing you and they keep an eye on you, but they are not taking action. So that's what is frustrating. You know that they are watching you. Let's see some advice. Ooh, prosperity, new abundance, exciting opportunities watch over you now. Wow, this is wonderful. So, abundance is coming, friends. You are definitely moving to a good road, good path, good future. So, don't worry. If you are worried whether you will be successful in the future with money, with your career, your studies, your education, yes, you are in the right direction. Romance angels. Healing family issues, your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. So definitely I feel maybe this person resembles, or this relationship is similar to your relationship with your parents. So if you heal that, this your love life can be better. If you heal your issues with your family or your childhood issues, healing is happening, friends. Healing is happening. I think this person is also hurt. Your lover, your husband or wife, your twin flame, they are hurt. They are healing also. Let's see your chance. And let me just grab a breath. Your week is fast. I'm out of breath. Oh my god. Option number 1. Oh, sorry. Option number 2. Maybe you should check out one also. The charms especially. Option number 2. Anything else for number 2? Alright, let's see. Lots of charms, lots of letters. Let me just separate them a bit so we can focus more easily on them. Oops. Initials, numbers. All right. Let's see, friends. Oopsie. So the number 4 is important. 4 could be the birth month, April, or 4th could be a date. You have met this person, Number 4 is important, I feel. So there is K, there is N, there is A, there is also another A, there is W, there is another A, there is E, there is 1. You are the one for them, they are the one for you. And there is another O there, and number 4. There is number 55. So yeah, number 555 is important. Number 12. 12th could be December. or 18th is also important. So the red house is about, you are very focused on your work, your career, your future, and you are very committed to making it better. Finances, yeah, finances are going to get better. If you are worried about your finances, they will get better. You also have the lucky boot, so you're very lucky, friends, this week. Anything you start or you put your time in, it is going to bring you rewards, but just be careful not to overspend. Some slippers are here, shoes are here. I think some of you are going to buy some new shoes, and I think it would be a good thing. I also feel that this is about the Cinderella show, something magical happening. The pink hat is about focusing on the good things in life, focusing on the happier side of life. Oh, someone is watching over you, I feel, keeping an eye on your social media, or you are stalking them, they are stalking you. Parrot, who, friends? People are definitely watching you, friends. Parrot, look at that. A lot of people are watching you, keeping an eye on you, and someone is jealous also because you are doing well. The leaf, yes, friends, you are very hardworking and you are very committed to your goals, whether it is about learning something or doing whatever you enjoy. This could be like a friendship coming your way. And this is the kitty, protection. You are very safe and protected. Let's see your charms, cards. Money, oh wow, money is coming your way, friends. Absolutely. Four of Cups, yeah. You're not interested in love this week much, You are focused on your life and your work and your happiness in general. Snake, changes are coming. Transformation, Knight of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. King of Coins, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Ace of Cups. Someone loves you, friends. They are, this person can't stop their love for you. A new romance is coming. It could be through your friendships. Three of Cups. This, you might be dating or meeting someone who is your friend, or your friends could have a crush on you. A third party could also be there. Five of Wands. Yeah, this person is running away from your love, but they still love you. Ten of Wands. Yeah, you are, if this week is very fast for you, friends. If you make it any further faster, you are going to get tired and exhausted. Well, keeping your heart large, be large hearted. Ace of Wands, you're very passionate about anything you start this week. And in fact, you start any goals, yes, we are going to be models, we are going to be super thin, and fitness goals. But then after this week, you'll be like, where is our motivation? That's how it is. You're very, very motivated, but then afterwards, you are like, where is the inspiration? Gone. Ladybug, very lucky. Four of Wands, marriage is very important. Commitment, marriage, family. You are the sunshine, and you are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy, and you make me happy when skies are gray. Wow, this is beautiful. Someone definitely telling you that you make them happy when they are sad. So definitely a lot of people love you, friends. If you are feeling lonely, don't do that. We are here with you. Subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. Bye for now. So for those who chose option number 3, this beautiful tiger, let us see how your week will be. I also have your charms, so we'll see that in shortly. This is your romance angels, this is your advice, your extra oracle messages, all these. Let's see what's coming next for you, friends. And make sure to watch the February love and romance forecast charms reading. I have already done that, so watch that out. Let's see what's coming next for you, friends. Wow, Queen of Cups, a very emotional week is coming for you. A very, very emotional week. Get ready. And someone is feeling very emotional and very sexy about you, friends. So be careful. And I feel your emotions are high this week, or they are going through a high and low, a high and low, a high, a low. So that is the energy. So just be a little careful. A Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces is important for you. You could be a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. I feel you're feeling very sensitive this week. Very, very sensitive. Six of Pentacles, yeah, balance is coming back into your life. Somewhere you are waiting for karma to take its place or some balance to return in your life. You feel some things are happening which are not proper or which are not fair to you. So, like your money is not coming to you, you have to work harder or you have to wait, or like love is not coming towards you. So, you feel life is a bit out of balance this week or in general. King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Wow, you could be dealing with a person who is a little egoistic. It could be a boss, it could be a family member, a lover, a twin flame, a divine masculine or feminine. This person is behaving very, very arrogantly and a bit dominatingly, and you feel like this they could behave better, or you feel like you guys are opposites in some way. You are emotional, they are egoistic, you feel like this connection could be more balanced, whether it is love, whether it is work or a family relationship. You feel this connection can be balanced, but it's not. Eight of Cups, yeah, you may have moved away from this person, but you are thinking of them, or they have moved away from you recently and you are still missing them. So you feel why this happened, this was unfair, this ending, this moving on, you didn't deserve it, this person did you wrong. Your emotions are a little high, friends, little high. Eight of Swords, yeah, you feel like you have less options this week. You feel like you're a little confused about your future. You also feel like you are trapped in life. There is nothing, no hope, no options available. But if you change your thinking, things can shift. If you just think less and act more, be like this tiger. I think that's the reason you chose this tiger, because you want to be like this tiger. Be the tiger in the wild, not a tiger in a cage. And here you are exactly like that, a tiger in the cage. You're not a tiger in the cage, friends. You are a free person, a free wild tiger, beautiful and amazing. So believe in your freedom, believe you can change your life. You have the power, and it starts by how you think and feel. Seven of Swords, yeah, a lot of trust issues. You have a lot of people whom you can't trust or who are working behind your back. Maybe a worker, a colleague, or a boss is working behind your back, or maybe there is a family member who keeps gossiping behind your back. So there are a lot of trust issues affecting your affecting your life this week. Seven of Cups, lot of choices, friends. You could be in a third party, you could be feeling like someone is cheating on you. Even if you are in career or a student, you feel like confused, you feel like should you study, what should you study, or where you should go, which subject to pick up. There is a lot to cover up, so there are a lot of confusions. I would suggest you to pick one thing at a time. Make a decision, don't overthink, just start. Pick up your syllabus, start, or maybe the old papers, look at them, which is the more important topics, cover them first, and go by, make a strategy and then go for it. Whew. Knight of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel you are dealing with a third party situation, and a lot of people are involved this week for you. And some of them are arrogant, some of them are very sweet, but you don't trust them. Some people are offering you love, but you don't know what to do. Some people are behaving very arrogantly. So it's a lot of people oriented week. You might also be messaging someone, but they see your messages but don't reply to you because they are arrogant, they are behaving stupidly. And you have to just, take care of that. Knight of Pentacles, yeah. You may feel this week is going very slowly. This feels like a slow week for you, so take care, take patience. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus might be important. This week I would suggest you to keep your patience, don't lose it, and don't be too extra sensitive, and don't be too upset or angry about what people are doing or what they are not doing. Focus on your life, your priorities, and just keep moving ahead. Let's see. I do feel this is a slow week. If you are waiting for money, it's coming, but it's coming slowly. If you are waiting for a message from a person, they are watching you, keeping an eye on you, but they are very egoistically behaving, and they are very sneaky. So you have to keep your patience. You might also be confused to stay with this person or leave them, or someone you left is coming back. Someone who ghosted you, someone who left you arrogantly, they are coming back. Tower, oh my god, number 19, yeah. Something sudden may happen this week, like someone out of the blue messages you, someone some new person messages you, so it might shock you a little or surprise you a little. So someone might even also reply angrily to you, so be careful, just be patient and just ignore such people. Choices, yeah, number 22, lot of choices. 7 of cups. It's not like about choices, it's like a bit of a confusion for you. You feel a bit confused which what to do ahead, where to go, whom to trust, whom not to trust. I would say, friends, believe in yourself. Believe that God is with you, universe is with you, and they have your back. So trust in yourself, trust in the universe, trust in the spirit. That's where you need to put your trust. Hostilities, number 26. Yeah, there will be some challenges in this week, some delays, some confusions, but you have to keep moving ahead. You won't give up, friends. You have a lot of power. You are more powerful than people around you or circumstances. So keep charging and success will be yours. Don't give up just because things are slow, confusing, or because people are behaving stupidly. That's not a reason we give up, because we are a tiger. Door to spirit, yeah, focus on being spiritual. I think this is a great week for you to do your work and then meditate or listen to something spiritual, something motivational, something inspirational, because that's where you are going to find a lot of support, a lot of help. And also there is a relationship which has some spiritual lessons for you and the other person. It could be a family connection, it could be a twin flame, it could be a lover, a third party. So everything is happening as per the divine plan. So don't worry. If someone hurted you or if they are hurting you this week, know that there is karma. You keep your patience, don't take abuse, but you keep your grace and just do what is best for you. It is time to release negativity, full moon in Scorpio. Yeah, too high emotions. Don't be negative, friends. Don't be, when there is a lot of emotion, you can do a lot many things with it. You can use it for your work, you can use it for creativity. So don't be so negative. Stay positive. At least try to stay positive, like listening to something spiritual, something maybe you'll binge watch our channel. That will also help you to stay positive. Let's see your advice, then we're gonna look at your charts. Watch your thoughts. You have to watch your thoughts, friends. Release negativity. It's important to think only about what you desire, not what you fear. Yeah, new people are coming, but you are like scared. Don't be, friends. Don't be. The universe, you can trust on yourself, right? And the romance angels, let's see. Religious factors. Your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. Yeah, you want more people which are spiritual connections, spiritual friends, or people who are, who can understand you. I think that's the best word. Right now, people are of different religions, cultures, or there is some difference between the people and you. So don't focus on the differences. And it's a very important card. There will always be differences between people. Have you seen a garden of flowers? Every flower is different, but have you seen them arguing and battling, or for ego or for anything? Every flower is important. It's a garden because there are many different flowers there, and it's important that they are all different and unique. So don't worry if people have different thoughts or different views. As long as there is peace, everything is good. let's jump into your charms. Up to number 3, what's coming next? All right. Oh, I see the wedding bell. Interesting. Let's do it. These are your numbers. Let's keep them here. Let's just all right, let's see. The letters are M O T. There is E, there is I, and there is N. So Mont could be a name, someone named Monty, Monte, someone named Monte is important, or someone named Ite. Someone's name could be Ite, that's important for you. So MONITE is important. Let's see your numbers. Number 999 is important, 99. Number 37 is important for you, friends. Number 77 is also important. Wedding bells. So some important messages are coming. Look at that. Maybe you are getting married or someone in your family is getting married. I also feel news related to marriage or your thoughts are about marriage, future commitment, or you are upset with somebody because they didn't marry you or they have broken a promise. So commitment is important. Some important news is coming, messages are coming. Apple, you have to focus on your health, friends. Don't ignore it. Even emotional health is important. And the teapot is here, so friendships are important this week, connections are important, and a lot is happening. It's like, it's like the water is boiling. But you can, if the water is boiling, you can add some sugar and tea and you can have your tea, like, right? If life gives you lemons, you make a lemonade. If life gives you boiling water, you make some tea. Dip, and there you are. So see things from a spiritual point of view. It will make this week very fun for you. You are very lucky. Money is coming your way. Confusions will end. You can trust on yourself. You are very strong. Don't doubt your power, your gifts, your skills. Let's see what else. The hat, I think someone likes you. Even if they are not showing you, they still like you. They are behaving arrogantly, they still like you, they care for you. There is the elephant. Listen to the divine signs. There is also the growth. This has come in all the 3 readings today. This is about third party, family, work and career, so keeping life in balance. You also have owl. So be wise, be balanced, don't lose hope. And you have the baby elephant with mama elephant. So yeah, some of you are missing your mother, or some of you are missing a past lover, someone you left or someone who left you. So you are missing you want to be cared, protected. But I think our ultimate protection and love comes from God and our love for God. So you can always look for spiritual relief there. Made with love. Yeah, someone really likes you, friends. I think you should take some time for yourself. Do something that you really like and enjoy. It will help you. There is also this golden owl. This is about a twin flame or a spiritual connection which is happening in your life. A flower. Yeah, you're like this flower, friends. Beautiful and perfect. Don't judge yourself. Don't be too hard on yourself. Look at that. Someone keeps coming in and out of your life, friends, like this superhero. Or you're waiting for a superhero to save you. But I think you are the superhero, friends, that you are looking for, hero or heroine. Water. Yeah. Drink some water. Keep yourself stable. High emotions, friends. Soulmate. A soulmate is coming for you and is important for you. March is also important. Moon, very high emotions. July is important. Maybe someone born in July. Cat is important. Maybe you're missing a pet, or maybe getting a new friend like a pet will help you. Five of years, yeah, someone has hurted you, friends, really caused you a lot of trust issues. Maybe it's a marriage you came out of, but it still hurts you, affects you. 10 of year, yeah, it has become a burden. It's still affecting you. King of Air, be practical, don't be too emotional. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Ladybug, you are very lucky, don't doubt your luck. And the Prince of Coins, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus is also important. And roads, where we are going, we don't need roads. Wow. Roads, where we are going, we don't need roads. My God, I think this is a clue for you that you are looking for a sign or for a clear, like if your future is safe, if you know that, you can take action. But sometimes life doesn't show us the clear road ahead, but it tells you to take the next step. And when you do that, then the road just sees and opens up. So believe in yourself and take the action. Believe in yourself. Think positive thoughts. So that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, like and share. Like and share. Join us on Instagram. Bye for now.